Today we are presenting our project Clap to Light developed by the Sri Kondaveedu students. The vision of this project is to create a simple and practical life system that demonstrates how sound can be controlled to electrical appliances. This will help beginners to how sensors send signals to the microcontroller and how microcontroller controls the electrical load through relay. It forms a strong foundation to learn automation and real world electrical appliances.
Components used. The components used in this project are Arduino Nano 5A SMPS module, the sound sensor, one channel relay, FR2 board, ribbon wires, power cord bulb and bulb holder.
Working principles of our project. When powered down, the sound sensor continuously monitors the surrounding noise. When a clap sound is detected, a sensor sends the signal to the Arduino Nano. The Arduino toggles the relay state. When the relay is on, it completes the AC connection and the bulbs glow. On the next clap, the relay turns off, making the bulb switch off. This repeats, enabling clap-based control.
Applications: home and office lighting automation, classroom or auditorium sound controller lighting, energy saving automatic system, learning and training, electronic projects, basic smart home appliances.
Future enhancements: add Wi-Fi or Bluetooth for remote control. Voice command recognition. Control more appliances using a multi-channel relay.
Thank you for watching Clap to Light project presentation guided by Sky Space Innovations. Thank you for Sri Kondaveedu Public School.